Hare Krishna, and a very warm welcome to all my dear little angels. So far, I have discussed with you four techniques of doing subtraction without taking any carry. Now, in all the four techniques, some work has to be done. Like you have to take a carry, you have to convert the negative number into positive numbers, or maybe you have to convert mismatch combination to matching combinations. Now, this technique which I'm showing you, these are most wonderful technique, most amazing technique, and in fact, the most fast technique. Once you learn this technique, you will say to me, why have you not told this technique to us to me earlier? Now, in this technique, I will use the concept of complement of 9 and 10. Complement of 9. I've already told you what is the complement of 9 and 10. If you remember in my very first video, I've told you what is the meaning of complement, what are the complements of 10, what are the complement of 9. So to recap that, please come to my screen. I'm sharing my screen to discuss this technique with you in detail. And I share my screen with you. Yeah. So please confirm to me that my screen is visible to all of you and that I'm also audible to all of you. Now, before showing this technique in depth to you, let me just recap what is complement. Complement, as I told you, complement of 10 means any two numbers whose sum is 10, like 9 and 1, or 1928374655. These are all the pairs of combinations of complements of 10. 1928374655. In the same way, for 9, the combinations will be 182736 and 45. So four combinations of complements for 9 and five combinations for complements of 10. Now I will use these complements for doing subtraction in a very, very fast way. And you will amaze how this really a loving technique. You will fall in love with this technique. Now, suppose I have to subtract this number 3893 from 9276. 3893 from 9276. Here you don't have to see which is the matching combination, which is the mismatch combination. Nothing to be converted, and no negative subtraction. Now just see the last number is 3. Now this technique is based on AF9, LF10. You have to just write the tens complement of the last number, tens complement of the last number, and the ninth complement of all the other numbers. All the other numbers are 3, 8, 9. So just write the ninth complement of all these numbers, and only for the last number you have to write the tens complement. I repeat, only for the last number you have to write the tens complement, and for all other numbers you have to write the ninth complement. Now what is tens complement of 3? The tens complement of 3 is 7, because 3 plus 7 is 10. In the same way, what is 9 complement of 9? 9 complement of 9 is 0, because 0 plus 9 is 9. In the same way, 9's complement 8 is 1, because 8 plus 1 is 9. And 9's complement of 3 is 6, because 3 plus 6 is 9. Now what I will do, I will simply add these complements to the upper number. I will simply add these complements to the other upper number. So 6 plus 7 is 13. I will add 3 and take 1 as carry and take 1 as carry. Next, I will add 0 plus 7 plus 1. 0 plus 7 plus 1. So my answer is 8, right? Then I add 1 plus 2 is 3. Then I add 6 plus 9 is 15. I write 5. And this 1 is to be cancelled. It is not to be considered. This is a cancelled number. Whatever you get as a the double digit number, that the one number is always to be cancelled. So the final answer is 5383. You see, it's a very fast technique and a very wonderful technique and a loving technique, because here nothing conversion is required, no adding or subtraction is required, nothing is required. Only you have to write the complements of the numbers, the tens complement and the ninth complement, and then add these complements to the upper number. In the same way, I'm showing one more example. Let us take a bigger number, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? It's a bigger number, 5-digit number, and I have to subtract from 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Now again, I will use the sutra AF9, LF10, means I will write the tens complement of 6 only, for 6 only. And for the other numbers, 2, 3, 4, 5, I write down the ninth complement. Now tens complement of 6 is 4, because 6 plus 4 is 10. Ninth complement of 5 is 4, plus 5 plus 4 is 9. Ninth complement 4 is 5, as 4 plus 5 is 9. Ninth complement of 3 is 6, because 3 plus 6 is 9. Ninth complement 2 is 7, as 2 plus 7 is 9. Now I will add all these complements with the upper row, right? So 4 plus 5 is 9. 4 plus 6 is 10. I will add 0 and take 1 as carry. Then 5 plus 7, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. I will add 3 and take 1 as carry. Again, I'll add 6 plus 8, 14. 14 plus 15, I write 5, take 1 as carry. Then 7 plus 9, 16. 16 plus 1, 17. I write 7 and I write 1. And this one is to be discarded. This one is to be cancelled. This is not to be considered. So my final answer is 75309. 75309. In the same way, I'm writing a bigger number. It's a six-digit number. I have to subtract 468342. And from the number 932138. Now you see that is a bigger number, six-digit number, but the method remains the same. I write the tens complement of 2, and for the other digits 4, 6, 8, 3, 4. I will write down only the ninth complement and not the tens complement. Only and only the ninth complement. Tens complement is to be written only for the last number, last digit. So tens complement of 2 is 8, as 2 plus 8 is 10. Tens complement of 4 is 5. 4 plus 5 is 9. Tens complement 3 is 6. 3 plus 6 is 9. Tens complement 8 is 1, as 1 plus 8 is 9. Tens complement of 6 is 3, as 6 plus 3 is 9. And finally, tens complement as 4 is 5, as 4 plus 5 is 9. Now, what I will do, I will simply add these complements with the upper row number. So 8 plus 8 is 16. I will add 6, take 1 as carry. Then 5 plus 3 plus 1 means 9. 6 plus 1 means 7. 1 plus 2 means 3. 3 plus 3 means 6. And 4 plus 5, 5 plus 9 is equal to 14. So I write 4 and this one is cancelled. This one is not to be considered. It will be discarded. It is eliminated, discarded. So my final answer is 463796. 463796. And you can, if you want to check your answer, what you can do? What you can do, tell me. Just add these numbers. Just add these numbers. 2 plus 6, 8. 4 plus 9, 13 means 3. Take 1 as carry. Then 3 plus 10, 10. 1 as carry, 11. Take 1 as carry. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. Write to 1 as carry. Then 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 1 is carry, 13. Take 1 as carry. 4 plus 4. 4 plus 5. 4 plus 4 is 9. And then 1 is carry. So answer is 9. So the answer is very simple. And the technique is really a wonderful technique because you can subtract any digit number. I've given some examples for your practice. You can note down this. You can note down these examples and yes, and then you can do the self practice for all your, these are 6-digit numbers. So you can do practice of all these numbers by applying. This is a wonderful technique. And by far, all the 5 techniques I told you, this is the most wonderful and most amazing and most loving technique because here nothing is required. No conversion of mismatch into match, no nothing to be added, subtracted, and no negative numbers. Nothing is there. Only you have to write the complements of 10 and 9. And I have told you what is the tens complement, nines complement, and then simply add those complements. So the answer is very fast, very simple, and is a very, very fast technique. So in the next video, I'm going to show you one wonderful sutra of subtraction, which I told you earlier, AF9, LF10. So till now, I'm stopping my video. So students, my dear angels, if you like my video, if you really think that I have taught you something very wonderful, that is really worth your time, precious time, then do subscribe to my channel. And if you really want to become a mathematician, a magician of all the mental techniques of speed mental math, and if you want to run the many other magic games, which I will teach you of games of how to write numbers in such a way that you will make a game of 40 numbers. Then you can ask a person, think of any number, and then you can tell him what number he has thought in his mind. So these kind of games I will going to teach you, and these are very wonderful games, magic games. So for that you have to subscribe to my channel and you have to call me at my number 9265418811. I repeat, 9265418811. Till then, thank you very much. Have a very nice day. Have a wonderful day. Thank you very much.